How to download MetaMask on your mobile device. Are you guys facing issues to download MetaMask crypto wallet on your mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the search bar. Tap on it and search for MetaMask. Click on the second option where you can see the icon for MetaMask. Tap on it. Now hit the get button and verify your Face ID. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, MetaMask has been downloaded on our device. Just simply hit the open button. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna download MetaMask on a mobile device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.